What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the title. BCG Pro Mod about to leave, man. And the new owner pulling up right now, man. My boy Brent. Finna gonna get the Pro Mod, man. The Pro Mod. What up, brother? What's going on? I can't call it. My boy Brent, man. They got the Pro Mod. Yeah, they got the Pro Mod, man. What's up, Brent?
Yes, what's up, man?
I can't call it, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, this it. This it. They
don't nobody believe I'm gonna drive it. They don't nobody believe it. My wife my wife don't think I'm gonna drive it.
She don't think you're
Hey,
how you doing, sir?
All right, you okay?
Yeah, I'm Brent's daddy.
Oh, okay, good to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna tint the windows, everything.
And just ride out. You gonna put a system in it?
Yeah.
Hey, look, that's what everybody was saying, man. They like, put a system in it. I said, man, I can't do it. I bought it just to make some content with.
Right.
And then I was I'm gonna go have target practice on. I said, nah, it run too good. When I bought it, I said it run too good, man. So
what you got covered up here?
Huh?
He got a bunch of cars.
I got everything. I got everything. I be fooling with some of everything out here. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Y'all look, Brent from the crank. I told you this thing run so good. Hey, Brent, they gave a new name. He called it the what's it? The Maybach. The Maybach, man. It doesn't run good, boy. Like sewing machine. Crank up on the dime. We just put a little air and kind stuff in. Hey. So for y'all that don't know, cause it happened so quick, I was thinking about it. Instead of trying to sell it, I said, man, I'm gonna do a little contest on it. So the contest filled up pretty quick, and Brent wanted it bad. Like he had 7 spots all together, and he ended up winning. Man. So it tripped me out. He ended up winning. So that was yesterday. So now he here picking it up, and I know y'all didn't even have time to see it, cause I put it on. It happened so quick, but it filled up fast, man. So I know y'all got to remember Brent. I told y'all from the vlog when my trailer messed up. You know, he pulled my trailer back to the house. Stuff when falling back to the house. Well, when the denali, my bad, the denali messed up. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, they here, man. It about to be off to a new home, man. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Look, Brent out of here, man. Pro Mod gone, man. He gonna drive it back to the house. I'm glad he won it though, man. I'm glad he won it, man. Like I did the raffle the old style way, you know what I'm saying? I just draw it out the hat, cause I don't really like them generators. I just don't. I don't like them generators, and I like the anticipation and stuff building up to it and all that. And that's what it is. Brent wanted it bad, man. He had more spot than anybody. He wanted it bad. He won. Look at him. Look, Brent. My boy Brent about to drive that thing back. He said he putting insurance on it tomorrow. He finna go to drive. Look at it, he gone. Hey, my boy Brent gone, boy. He out of here, man. He got the he got the Pro Mod. It ain't called a BCG Pro Mod no more. It called a Maybach now. That's the Maybach, man. And he doing exactly what y'all wanted me to do with it. He said he gonna tint the windows, and what he said, he gonna put a system in it. He gonna drive it. I said, man, you put your little paint on. He said, man, I'm gonna drive it just like this. My boy Brent said he gonna drive it just like that. And then what else he said? He said he gonna drive it. He gonna drive it to the clutch, just go. He said when the clutch goes, get one of the records to come and take it back, put a clutch in it. But I'm glad somebody got it that really wanted it and we're gonna drive it. Cause I told y'all about me. I have a plan, but then that thing can change. Cause I like this car run so good, man. I ain't want to just use it for target practice. It did run good. It ran good. It car crunkled every time. Came out here to crank it up, and I said it just need minor stuff like the little tire. Tire got a slow leak. And, man, a few hundred dollars in that car will be a pristine running car, man. But I'm glad he got it, man. The Pro Mod gone. So we been moving them things out, man. John Jones, and within 3 weeks, man, John Jones got gone. Black Haven and the BCG Pro Mod gone, man. I got the re-up. We got one. I got one right here. So I went from having about 6 on. If you count the Pro Mod, I had 7. I ain't count my truck and Monte Carlo. Y'all know they all gonna stay. But I had 7. But now I'm down to 5. I got my star at 5. But you can't never know when I'm gonna pop up some car. I just pop up, man, spur of the moment, just buy something. Like I really do, man. It just depends on how the year going and stuff too, man. If I need to buy something else, spend some money, I just buy a car. That's how them 2 cars right there got here. They were not playing. Regal was playing. The last cars I bought wasn't playing, really. It ain't nothing I had my eye on. Nothing wasn't playing. R&B wasn't playing. Brown Coat wasn't playing. Dolo was playing. But I had it first. But them 2 wasn't playing. John Jones was playing too. John Jones definitely was playing. And then I had my eyes on this right here. As soon as I saw it. Some stuff I see, I'm like, hey man, I got to move on that. When I saw this, Grandma Nana, I said, oh, I got to have that. That one gonna stay. I love Regals. The Regal my favorite G-body. And that's what I'm saying. This is my starting 5. This is my starting 5, man. Like, these ones that ain't going nowhere. I done said it. Every car that's here, somebody gonna have to make me get out of it. Y'all know I love S10s, cause I done had 2 of them. They make 3, but y'all didn't even see the first one. I was driving it ran every day. It had a 4.3 in it. But Meat here to stay. Dolo done grew on me, man, cause we done had 3 engines in Dolo, man. And I done built it from scratch, from ground up. R&B grew on me. We done had some time. Then my family loved it. The kids love R&B cause that's the one they done rode in the most. I think they gonna love Dolo too when they get to ride in it more, but they ain't really got a chance to ride in nothing else. They done rode in R&B. The family, we rode in R&B more than anything. And the Camaro too when it was here, but rode in Meats a little bit, but R&B the car that rode in the most and stuff. I picked them up from school and all that. They can't ride in the truck. They're just me. I like the S10, man. So, and we're gonna be riding in Nano a lot. We're gonna be riding in Nano a lot, man. Just like it is, cause she clean, she tough like she is. I'm gonna get that paint on her, but she tough like she is. But it's time to re-up, man. I'm gonna have to re-up, man. I don't know. Y'all keep asking about the national and stuff. The national coming, but I'm waiting on perfect timing for the national, man. I'm waiting on perfect timing. Like, I ain't just gonna buy the national, just hop up and buy it. And I told y'all, people think I'm playing, man. My wife know when I say something, I be serious. I say when I get that Grand National, that joker going in, it gonna be somewhere by itself. Y'all talking about my shop, when I get my building put up, I'm gonna do that at one time, man. I'm telling you, when it come up, it's just gonna happen fast. Yeah, it's just gonna happen fast like I did the story. But when I get that Grand National, you gonna have these in there, but that Grand National gonna be somewhere by itself. It gonna have its own. It ain't gonna be nothing in there with it. It ain't gonna be no tools, no toolbox, no tires. I ain't playing. I'm dead serious. I am so serious. Folk probably laughing. I am so serious. It ain't gonna be newspaper on the ground. It ain't gonna be nothing in there, man. It gonna be Grand National. That's it. They gonna be like, man, you got all this. Oh, this space just Grand National. That's it. And it covered up, a car cover. There we're gonna be. It gonna be in the building and covered up. It gonna have its own spot. I don't want nothing that can fall on it. Nothing. There ain't gonna be nothing in there, man. And I'm dead serious when I get that Grand National. So, I'm gonna get a don't. I didn't know how much it gonna take. I got all these about running like I want to, drive train. So Now I'm finna get on the cosmetic and stuff. Paint them all. I'm finna get wheels. I'm finna get 2 sets of wheels. Yeah, I'm finna get 2 sets of wheels. Probably this year. And then I'm gonna get on paint. I'm gonna just start painting everything. Only car that look like it gonna get painted this year is, for sure, is Emma, with your wife's car. Emma car going in there. Grandma Nana might get painted, cause I ain't gotta buy all these stuff on the outside. Dolo, hey man, I don't want to hear nothing about when you gonna paint Dolo. If you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all know when I'm paint Dolo. And Cuzzo know how I'm coming in, and my family, they know how Dolo coming. So when people see the finished product, they're gonna be like, oh, this why you waited. Cause that ain't finna be, they go beyond paint, just paint. So I'm telling y'all, meat's gonna get painted. I ain't trying to make it perfect. I ain't trying to make it show car. Cause meat's my car. They're my driver, man. Like in the street, this and that. Now Dolo gonna be along the line, but meat's gonna be paint, just on simple. I ain't going on the car trying to take it out of frame and stuff. I was gonna do that, unless I need it. Cause I'm putting a hog in there. If it need it, if I gotta take it out of the frame and do some bracing the bars and stuff, I will. But I'm gonna see how it handle when the drivetrain get in there. I'm gonna see how it handle and all that. If it needs something, then I go ahead and give him what he need. But you know, we're gonna have it coming. But I just want to make the video, man. Y'all see the Pro Mod gone, man. I had to keep y'all up to date. The Pro Mod is gone, man. I said when I'm selling something, you have to jump on it fast, man. You got to jump on it fast when I'm selling something, man. Especially a car. These things move fast because I got a big network. And I just choose. I usually start off on my Facebook. I post it on my Facebook first. Then I do a post here on YouTube. And then I might go to my Instagram. But if I go to my big mega pages, my Jmalcom 2004 brand stuff gonna get gone, man. It get gone. That's why I ain't posted the parts yet. Like, I got the converter for sale. It's a 4,000 stall converter for a TH400, 350, or a Power Glide. It's a 4,000 stall, anti-ballooning plate, nitrous converter, ready to go. I sell it for $350. The headers are gone. They already paid for. But I sell that for $350. The intake, I sell the intake. Oh, I got y'all. I'm sorry, man. It probably was going slow. But anyway, this go $350, man. 4,000 stall converters goes in a TH350, TH400 Power Glide. Got the anti-ballooning plate, all that stuff. This right here, this is a Victor. This is a big block Victor intake. This is a $500+ intake, man. I sell it for $320. Go look it up. It's a $500 intake. One of my people that got a big boy car, man, on Facebook, he like, that's a great intake. I said, indeed it is. It really is. So $320. Stud girdles and locks, $250. These stud girdles are not cheap either. These are Conk Cam stud girdles. Go look them up. $250 for the stud girdles. I will ship all this stuff at the buyer's expense. $320 for this. Good look. Ain't nothing wrong with this stuff now. I already inspected it. I got roller rockers. 1:7 ratio roller rockers. If I remember right, I think they 1:7. I gotta check them, but we got roller rockers and stuff. I let them go for aluminum roller rockers. I let them go for $250 as well. Then you got the heads, which y'all seen the head. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know what these heads are. I think they Pro Comp, man. I don't know the specs on them because I just don't know, man. I don't know the valves, none of that stuff. But I know these heads went 550s. I know that. And they need a valve. They can be repaired. I done checked with my people. They can, that one head can be repaired, man. The one that got the damage right there, that's it. It can be repaired and fixed. But they'll probably be gone if you sleep on the car. Somebody already said they want them, and he don't be playing around. He just on the road right now. When he come back, he say he want them. He don't be playing around. Some people I just know when they say, hey, it's a go, it's a go. So the head, man, $700. Cause I think they pro comp heads. I can't find the number. They don't pull up by the number right there, but I think these are pro comp heads, and I know pro comp heads are not very expensive from the jump, but they supposed to have valve work and stuff done to them. I don't know. I keep it real with y'all. If I know the stuff, I tell you, but I don't know the info on these heads. So they can go, but they can be repaired. The damage is minimal, which I figured they could be repaired. I just had to get a second opinion beef. So got machine shop, reputable machine shop commented on my Facebook and told me along with some of my racing buddies too. They were like, Jay, that's super minor damage, it can be repaired. Cool. I got 2, 3, 4, 5 opinions. I know that. I feel okay now. So $700 for that, man. Or if you want to buy it all as a bulk, get with me, man. We might work something out on the bulk price. And I will ship anything. I done shipped stuff bigger than that before, man. I done shipped the set of, what was it I shipped? I done shipped the set of wheels before. Now, I won't do that no more because that's a big headache. And ain't nobody want to pay for that shipping. But the heads, I'll ship the heads. I will ship anywhere you want to ship, man. Hit my email, Jmalcom2004 at gmail.com. We'll get it set up or whatever part you need. And I might have some more things for sale. As I dig in, I might have a couple of pistons, this and that, domes. Like I said, I have to measure the compression height and stuff and all that. But anyway, that's it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.